welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to prepare longganisa. Pwede rin itong pang negosyo. It is super easy and very affordable ang mga ingredients. You can use any kind of ground meat. I have here ground pork. First, it's going to put salt. This is about 1 tablespoon of salt. Then paprika. This is smoked paprika. This will really bring flavors to your longganisa. Black pepper. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Then brown sugar. Yeah, this is about 1 cup of brown sugar. This will help caramelize and sweeten your longganisa. Garlic, crushed garlic. Then we are just going to mix this well. Haluin lang natin mabuti. Let's put a tad bit of cornstarch to make our longganisa firm. If you use too much cornstarch, that will cause your longganisa hard when you fry it. Mix this well. Let's now put the oil. I'm using here olive oil, but you can always use regular oil. Let's just mix this well until it's fully combined. Then we need parchment paper and any kind of card to form our longganisa. Let's scoop the meat and formahin lang natin ng ganito. Get the card and push the meat to form into a tube. Sobrang dali lang, diba? Yan. Dahan-dahan. Here it is. Longganisa na. See? Tada! Homemade longganisa! Sobrang bango niya. Let's just store this properly and put in refrigerator overnight before cooking. You can also let it in the fridge for days and it's gonna be so flavorful after that. It's time to cook our longganisa. I just use a little bit of oil to fry and then later on maglalagay tayo ng tubig. Konting tubig lang para lang maluto yung loob ng longganisa. Yung iba, pina-fry lang nila diretso. Pero ako gusto ko pakuluan ko muna bago ko i-fry ulit. Let's just simmer this until the water is gone. Wala ng tubig, lalabas na ang oil niya. Then, iba-brown lang natin. Smells so good. Ang dami kasing garlic nilagay ko. Now, this is ready to serve. Here's our longganisa, pwedeng pang breakfast at swak na pang kabuhayan. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye!